discussion, have you heard a being that is uniquely beautiful and experimentally created? So why not join me in this discussion that talks about creating a trait by editing a gene that is called protein synthesis assimilation. Do you know that inherited characteristics or traits such as skin, eye, hair color, structure of the nose, and eye, and so on are determined by genes?
Yes, genes.
Genes is the sequence of DNA molecules that determine the type of polypeptides, and DNA is called the blueprint of life.
Why?
Because it contains instruction needed for organisms to grow, develop, reproduce, and survive. Do you also know that protein do most of the job in the cells and are the basic unit of structure and function in the cells of organisms?
Now you know.
In this discussion, we will learn the mechanism of protein synthesis, the central, dogma, molecular, biology, state, DNA contains instruction for making protein, which is copied by RNA. Then RNA uses instruction for making protein. The summarization of it, DNA makes RNA makes protein, or DNA to RNA to protein.
Simple as that.
Now we're going to create a trait by editing a gene.
Always remember to follow Chargaff's rule of base pairing, where DNA always adenine thymine pairing, while RNA always adenine uracil pairing.
Okay, let's start.
Our gene's DNA is TTT, AAT, GCT. tRNA is UUU, AAU, GCU. As you can see, the Chargaff's rule is used. Our mRNA is AAA, UUA, CGA. Then our amino acid number of mRNA is AAA is equal to 8, UUA is equal to 18, CGA is equal to 2. Now, our amino acid sequence is 8, 18, and 2. That equals the trait red lips. So our trait is red lips. Do you understand well? If a yes, then can you find the mRNA, tRNA, amino acid sequence in the trait of this DNA?
This is the end of the discussion. Thank you for joining.